Under the shadow of threats of an outbreak of violent clashes generated by divisive utterances from some elements from the southeast and the north, governors of states sandwiched between the two regions moved to prevent their domains being turned into battlegrounds. Governor Samuel Otom of Benue State walks into a meeting with the Igbo and Hausa communities in Makurdi, the state capital, with a clear intent. He reminds both parties that he is capable of dealing with any breach of peace in a very unconventional manner.
Any move from any mischief maker who will come out with any agitation and to say we are sending this group of people away from Benue State, or we are attacking these people because somebody somewhere has been attacked, so we come and do reprisal here in Benue State. I will personally leave my seat and go after you and arrest you, personally. All those mischief makers, they should take this warning from me, and I will do it.
In neighboring Nasarawa State, Governor Tanko Almakura sues for a more conciliatory approach to addressing agitations in the southeast.
I believe every Nigerian has the right to live everywhere he wants, anywhere. I can tell you there are some of the people who are not from this state, the Igbos, the Yorubas, the Esekiris, the Efik, the Ibibios, the Urubos, who have contributed to the development of this state more than the so-called indigenous. Why don't we live together in peace?
It's all part of efforts to douse the tensions generated by the face-off between IPOB in the southeast and Arewa youth groups in the northern states, which has lately necessitated a high state of alert by the military.